If you've had a day and you just want to relax and chill, hear some encouraging words and let go of everything that's happened, this is for you. Find somewhere comfortable. Sit down, recline back, whatever you feel. Thank you for taking the time to let go of the stress and pressure. Whatever happened today that was stressful isn't something you need to hold on to. Holding on to those things can create so many problems and illness. Thank you for taking the time to let go. This is a gift for yourself. Take a deep breath. Exhale it. Let it out. Take another deep breath. Exhale again. Think about how deeply you've been breathing today. Feel that inhale deep down into your belly. Breathe in deep and let it out. Paying attention to your breath is something you can do when you're having a stressful day or there's a stressful situation. This is a ninja technique called box breathing, if you've heard of it or not. This practice will help you release stress and nobody will even know you're doing it. To practice box breathing brings focus and attention to your breath and brings oxygen to your bloodstream. It has a dual purpose of getting you present and paying attention and breathing more deeply than you probably are if you're stressed out or in some kind of situation that's uncomfortable. It's as simple as this. Breathe in, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4. Hold out, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4. Hold out, 2, 3, 4. That's all there is to it. You can do it as long as you want to, at any time. Even when you're in the middle of a meeting or a conversation, you've got a tool in your pocket now to help you release stress in real time. And it works. Let's continue here with this relaxation. You carry so much every day. You do so much every day. The weight of doing all that can build up. Sometimes you forget to breathe, so taking a moment to breathe is what this is about. Right now, you're going to set everything else down. Strength isn't always about pushing forward. It's also knowing when to step back, when to reset, when to recharge. Thank you for doing this. That's exactly what you're doing in this moment. Take another deep breath. Imagine fresh energy flowing through you. Exhale and feel all the pressure leaving your body. All the tension, all the stress, anything that's left, any expectations, let it all drift away. Feel the muscles in your forehead soften. Feel your jaw relax. Notice any tension in your neck. Let that tension go. If it feels good, drop your head to one side and then the other. Let it stretch. Don't stop breathing. Let your shoulders drop. Let your whole body just become heavy. You don't have to hold on anymore today. Your arms, your hands, everything is loose and steady and at ease. Feel your back relax. Feel your chest relax. Let your legs settle. Everything is unwinding. You don't need to hold on to anything right now. You're safe. You're free to let go. This is your time. Now picture yourself standing by a river. Think of a river that brings you peace, somewhere you've been that you can visualize. Notice how fast the water's moving. Notice how it's moving smoothly and steadily, carrying away anything and everything in its path. The river is here for you to take whatever stress or tension you no longer need, to take anything that happened today and carry it away. The river is your gift. The water will take it all away from you. Close your eyes and imagine yourself gathering anything that doesn't serve you. Worry, pressure, any tightness in your body that's left. Look into the corners. Look around. What do you need to let go of? Gather all that up. Take a deep breath. And as you exhale, throw it into the river. Watch it drift away. You are lighter now. You are free. You no longer carry what was never meant to be yours. Let these words sink into you. You can repeat them after I say them, out loud or in your mind, or you can just let them settle right into your soul. Feel this truth. I am free from pressure and expectations. I release the stress that does not belong to me. I allow myself to rest without guilt. I breathe in peace and I breathe out tension. I am strong, and my strength includes knowing when to let go. Breathe that in. Let it settle deep within you. You're no longer holding on. Imagine stepping into the river, letting the water wash away anything that's left, anything you're not even aware of. Feel the cool water flowing around you, releasing anything that you want to let go of. As you take another deep breath, feel yourself lighter, clearer, more at peace. After you stand in the water for a moment, step back into the sun. Let it warm you, dry you, and put you back into your space of peace and power. Take another deep breath and feel that lightness, the clarity and the peace you have within you. You've let go of what was weighing you down, and what's left now is calm, balance. There's so much strength in this stillness. When you return to your world from this moment, you'll carry yourself differently. You'll walk without tension. You'll move with flow and clarity. You'll know that stress does not define you. You decide what to carry and what you release. Anything you encounter in the next days will be easier and easier to let go of after you respond to it. Stay here a little longer. Enjoy the lightness of the space. When you're ready, open your eyes, take a deep breath, and step forward, unburdened, strong, and fully at ease.